Hey, Kane! What are you doing? Ah! Well, we came out to the park to do our front loader remote control, and doggone it, we forgot the batteries. Actually, it has batteries in it, but they're old. Give it a shot. You can see it trying to move, but those batteries need to be replaced. What's inside of that garbage truck, Kane? Let me see those trash bags. So we featured this in another video, but hey, it's always fun to play with stuff more than once. So these are our trash bags, and we were going to do a little scene where the garbage truck is picking up the trash bags.
I'm doing it.
Okay, you do that. I'm going to hold on back here. There you go. So look at that, 2 at a time. It's got this great big old container up here, and then this is a recycling front loader. Let me turn it around, and then here's the back of it, which lifts up, and then you can look inside. There you go, and there's those trash bags. This is a waste management, right, Kane? Does it say WM on it somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, it says go green. Hey, it's working. Go ahead. Try it. There it goes. He's trying to make it. Oh, yeah, we'll just have to get some new batteries when we get home. It's still fun to play with, though. See? You just go like that. And then look at the flashing lights. These are actually very inexpensive, and I think I saw one of these on Amazon for only like $7. Can you believe it? I know we paid like $20, and it was just a short-term sale, but you might check Amazon if you think you might be interested in one of these. It says Recycle Center, Go Green.
Hey.
Hang on.
Yeah.
And it is a NK, it's NK OK brand. Alright, there you go, garbage man. One of the things that some people talk about on this particular model is that these forks are permanently attached to the dumpster thing right there. Now some people have filed this down. Hang on. Some people have filed this part down right here so that it's skinnier, and then you can remove the dumpster from the forks, and then you could actually practice picking up the dumpster with the forks. So that's kind of cool. We haven't done that yet because we have learned that if we take something apart, it usually gets lost or broken. And we don't want that, so we're just going to leave it attached for now. Kane, what are you doing? So look what we got, a new carpet. It's got all kinds of cool little city buildings and restaurants and roads and construction sets to drive on.
I think Dad's on this road.
Look at that. So that is a crane right there. Let's just take a second and look at some of this stuff. Construction type things. It's like a restaurant. Over here's a gas station, looking at it upside down. This is a pizza restaurant right here. It's a helicopter.
Who's that?
It has a big H, so I suppose that's where a helicopter lands. And that must be, yeah, that must be a hospital. Right here is another building. I'm not really sure what that is. Here's a house. Over
A
here.
cone. A cone.
A cone, that's right, for construction. Back over here. And then, look at this, a hamburger restaurant. We all know what that is just by looking at that sign. Here's another house with a basketball goal and a dog house. A couple more houses. Oh, I really like the pool right there. Awesome. And then a sporting goods store, I think right there. Traffic light.
There's a pool right here.
And then what is this over here? Is that an office building of some sort? This over here is a garage.
House.
Yeah, a house. A motorcycle shop. So there you go. That's what all the detail involves. And if you just get an overhead view, I don't know where we got this mat, this carpet. Maybe Toys R Us. I like it a lot. It's just not very big. But he seems to love it. So let's play with it. I see a yellow garbage can, Kane, to empty. Why don't you empty that yellow garbage can into that front loader? Oh wow, instead of garbage, it has Skittles. Why don't you lift up that front loader into the garbage truck? Yay! And they all came out the back.
Another one.
Oh, and I see one more garbage can over there. A helicopter. Here's the helicopter launching pad right here. Let's see if they'll land right there. Nope, I guess they went somewhere else. You're busted. You're busted for eating all the Skittles. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed our garbage truck carpet pickup. Kane, anything else you want to say?
Nothing.
Alright, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
done. Hey, you like cookies?
Yeah, I like cookies.
Ow! Let me ride up front. Bye!
Yeah, cookies.
Here you go, here's some cookies.
Hey, you get free cookies.
Glad you liked them.